Hey guys, we are back with another video, and this one is a Iono Premium Tournament Collection box, or Iono's Milk Carton as people call it. And I know what's inside of it, but she does not, and I got it as a special gift for her, and she's gonna open it up and check out all the cool stuff inside. So let's get to it.
Awesome, because I love Iono.
Yep.
Okay. I don't want to ruin the box.
Oh yeah, no problem. Open it like on that.
Not across that.
No, I'm not sure. It's like a sticky.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I have no idea what's in it. So I have code hatchet in.
Yep, that's right.
Ooh, we've got some dice.
Dice.
Nice. Cute. Pink's my favorite color. Oh, how cute.
Yep. Sparkly
That's so
Iono.
nice. I love it.
That's a cool
so
coin.
Sparkly.
That's much better than the other coins that we've been getting.
Yeah, totally. And I don't know where to look.
There's a promo and sleeves. Oh, you're gonna step it out.
Oh, put it this way.
Yep.
Yes! This is cool. I love it.
And that one comes with that full art and then 3 others, like if you play it in your deck.
Oh, really?
Cards. Yep.
Oh, this is so cool. Oh, this is good.
Are these promos gonna be hard to open now?
Yeah, the plastic is hard. Maybe we need scissors.
Didn't think
Oh,
so.
okay.
Oh, okay.
So pretty.
Mm-hmm.
All the colors.
And then the other, yep.
Two. Are they the same?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. So
Yep.
we've got 3 like this. Cute.
And I think that right now is a $30 card.
Yeah.
Yep.
I love it.
Sweet.
Okay. Oh, these are adorable.
Yep. Now you got your Iono sleeves.
So cute. A pink, of course. And then what have we got in here?
A nice sturdy deck box.
Oh, that's so cute. Ooh, what's in here?
Ooh, packs inside. Here we go.
Oh, we've got.
Oh, markers.
Oh, yeah.
Poison and burn.
There we go. And then we have. Oh, that's so cute. Look at the box.
Oh yeah, I didn't know it had on the inside. That's cool.
Really cute.
That's good.
Adorable.
Yeah.
We got here, we've got temporal forces. And we've got paradox rift.
One of our favorites.
Green flames. Scarlet and violet. Oh, what's this one?
Ooh, the Sword and Shield Lost Origin.
I've never
Nice.
opened this.
Yeah, that's right. Ooh, that would be a first.
That's really cool.
Sweet.
I think we'll start with Scarlet.
All right, let's do it. All right, now we gotta get something from one of these 6-packs.
Code. Energy. Oh, Toxel. Garlic.
I think we have that one. I think we have a few of that
Yeah.
one. Bombardier.
Oh, that's the other hit.
Yeah, that's right.
Beach court. You have the gold beach.
Yep.
Must hold. Houndstone. Nothing in that one.
Base set has been rough to us lately.
Yeah, I don't think it likes us. he inflamed?
Yep.
Okay.
Looking for that Cleffa IR in this one.
Oh, that's right. Sorry for all the junk.
Yeah. We're trying our best.
Oh, that's Poppy, a little doll kid. Where's the train? Tricks.
Again.
That same one we always.
Oh,
what is this?
SIR Ice Cube. Oh, wow. Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, I haven't seen this before.
Oh, man. Not the SIR we wanted, but that's really nice. Wow. Okay, that's a big hit there.
Interesting. Not the prettiest
Yeah.
but hey.
Oh, wow.
It's a hit.
Sure is. SIR. Sweet.
Okay.
Nice.
Let's try.
Cool. All right, what's next?
I'm going to do Paradox first.
Okay.
That's always pretty good to me.
Mm-hmm. Looking for the SIR Tulip.
Oh, yeah, that's smart.
That's right, I think it is.
Yeah, that's it. Hard to get.
Sure is.
Sorry, my dog is snoring in the background.
Having a great time.
Basic Energy, Swably, Panthea, Galiga?
Gligar.
Galiga. Huh.
Semi-poor.
Interesting one.
Ferroseed. Goodbye.
And
Organzy.
no luck with Paradox.
Darn. Alright, Temple Forces number 1 up next.
Temple Forces. Is this one with Erie?
It might be, I think so.
Yeah. Okay.
Alright, here we go. Another Steel Energy. Noctowl. Croconaw. Licky Licky. Metang.
Oh,
Let me get that anyway, sorry.
thank you.
Yep. Perilous Jungle. Unpheasant. Cinescorch. Iron Valiant. We got a billion of them. And Sandy Shocks. Oh, ended on Sparse.
Okay, now for the other temple boss.
Yep.
I almost need a bigger table.
Yeah, seems like it. Grass Energy. Bramblin. Girafarig. Roselia. Cutie Fly. Future Booster Energy Capsule. Great Tusk. Delcatty. Very cute. Wiglet, not so cute.
What is
Drampa, cool.
This is the one I
You didn't want that one, but I like that. That's cool.
Oh man.
All right, an IR. Okay, that's a hit at least.
Oh, I didn't want that one. It's yours.
Okay. I'll sure take it. I like the look of it. It's a grandpa dragon. Oh, that's funny. All right, a couple hits so far.
Okay, so the last one we have left is Lost Argue.
Yep, first time opening this.
That's really cool.
I do not know the chase cards in this.
No, I have no idea either. I don't even know how many I'm supposed to open.
Oh, the card trick. Either 3 or 4.
This way?
Yeah, yep, they flipped it around in a Scarlet Violet.
Sorry.
It's either 3 or 4. I never remember.
Hopefully it doesn't start off with... Oh, cute. I like this.
Oh, that is cool. Misfortune Sisters. Yan Shao. Like the Cutie.
That's Jinx.
Jinx. Litwick. Oddish. Love Disc.
Oh, what's that shiny thing?
Phalanx.
Oh,
nice! Argiller
that's
Chandelure.
cool.
Dang, okay.
Oh, nice.
That's very nice.
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
That's really... Oh, what's
Oh,
this
and a
one?
Deluxe
Cool.
V. Man, look at that double hit
That's
pack.
double.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay, Lost Origin. Dang.
That's really cool.
That was really cool.
Love the colors.
Yeah. Dang, that looks good.
That's so
And it has Chantel in it too.
Yeah, and
That's
then this
cool.
is cool too.
Wow.
I really like this.
Man, these are some hits for this Iono box.
Yeah. Look at that. It looks like he's breathing out all this.
Yeah. Oh, man.
Yeah, that's so cool.
These Sword and Shield packs are legit.
Definitely.
Right?
Yeah,
Yeah,
we
that's-
have to have a look for some of them.
Yeah, for sure. Okay,
That's
yeah.
so
4
cool.
hits from
Yeah, so we got...
Chandelure, the Delphox V,
Mm-hmm.
the Ice Cube SIR, and the Drampa.
Yeah,
Yeah.
pretty good.
Yeah, I'd say that was a win. And you got all your cool Iono stuff.
Awesome.
Yeah, nice. Man, yeah, that was really good, I
That was really
think.
cool, and I love Iono stuff.
Sweet.
I'm stoked to have all this.
Yes. I hope that was a good present.
It was awesome.
All
Thank
right,
you.
no problem.
Surprise packs are so fun.
Yeah, they sure are. Hope so. Well, thank you guys for watching
Thank
another
you.
video, and we hope to see you guys next time.
Bye.